Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Tuck Notes Beginner Stock Talk. My name is Tucker, and I am your host for this channel. I've got a helicopter flying over me. Pardon me for the noise. Great timing. Go figure. Anyways, so what do we got going on today? A whole hellhole of crap. Just blood everywhere. Like, just the stock market was down in like so many sectors. And so now what we're gonna do is coming up is the best sectors to watch now, best stocks to best stock within the sector, and then we'll do a little recap about the stock market. So before I get into that, I'm going to talk about Gamestop for 1 second because I sourced it. So I'm just following what he says. Well, not following, but I try to mimic what he says in a more easier way to understand for people that aren't, like me. So GameStop is 120 right now. It went down 33%. Remember we said it was going to go down 30% up or down? Well, it went down 33% from the earnings report, and it's sitting at $120.33, and it has a chance tomorrow to either go up $58 or down $58. So if you want to get involved in that, be my guest. Now, getting into the sectors. The energy stock sectors are performing well. That does not mean Tesla. But the sector to focus on right now is retail. And why? Because we have Easter coming up, and that's on March 26th. So people are going to be buying a lot of presents right now. And so you want to focus, if you can, think about just for a moment, like for this period of time of crap we're going through, to focus on maybe some retails like Costco. Costco is $338. It had a low today of $307, and it went up to $338. It was previously $350. You got Walmart that was $133, went down to $126.28 was a low, and then it went back up to $133. But that has potential too. And lastly, the stock that was mentioned was Amazon, which I know that most of us can't afford, but that stock you can also, like I've always told my friends, and I'll tell you guys too, and I've said it before, you can always buy a little of a share, 0.00 of a share. So you can buy a little bit of Amazon and get a little, reaction from it. Make a little change from it. It's kind of like the Bitcoin. It's going to go up because Easter's going up. Maybe that's the truth for that too. I don't know. That could be also a possibility. And then, so those are the three companies: Costco, Walmart, and Amazon. Tomorrow's March 24th is the continuous. It's called the Easter Rally. I don't know if Easter's on March 26th. Excuse me. I don't know everything, but there's a thing called the Easter Rally, which I just learned, and I'm learning every year. Throughout the year of the stock, there's different seasons of times where things go up and things go down. I'm learning that, and we're all learning that. And so the Easter Rally, according to CNBC News, I have on here, this was a photo I took from my source, and he said, key points from Tyler Clifford. After reviewing stock analysis from notes trader Larry Williams, CNBC, the guy I hate, Jim Cramer, said retail stocks like Amazon, Costco, Shopify, and Walmart could benefit from an Easter rally. If history's any guide, William is betting that a rise A rising April tide will be able to lift all retail ships, the Mad Money said host. If you're worried about the rotation, you might want to use the rally in the essential retailers to bring up the register, he said. So that's what was on here, and that's the Easter rally notes. So think about it. And holidays, the stock market is always like, it's controlled, right? We've figured that out through all of the stuff that's happened in the past months. It's a controlled place, and it gets too controlled, right? So whatever. But we as investors got to hustle. We got to figure out a side hustle, right? So I'm learning now, Easter is a potential time to make some money on stocks. Just if you're still watching this video, I want to let you know on a side note that throughout this entire time the stock market's been going down, there's one stock that has not gone down. It's gone up $1 or $2, but it hasn't gone down. It stayed green the whole time. And that's Waste Management, a trash company. So check that one out. If you don't want to lose your money right now and keep it in the stock market, that's another idea, because everyone has to throw the trash out. All right. Check me out on Instagram at TuckerMLO and my blog at #TuxBlog. I hope you guys have a great night. Talk to you later. Peace out.